Hey guys, this is Technical Siva and today I am here with new concept related to Android. Guys, sometimes we facing the problem our power button and volume key are not working. So that time what should we do? So I am gonna tell you some basic step you should do. So first you need to download a app which help you to generate a virtual key like volume key, home key, and power key. So let's take a demonstration on it. Go to the Play Store and type Assistive Touch and install it. I have already installed it, so no need to install. For me, you have to install and then open this app and then enable enable the assistive touch enable. Then it will show this kind of button. You can change the background of it. So let's see how can you increase the voice. Just go to device and press volume up. See see here, it's work. And you can also mm, vibrate or silent your phone or in normal way. And and you can also lock your phone from tap here. Just you have also a virtual home key. Just press here. Let's see. And one thing I'm gonna tell you, you can take a screenshot from this application also. Just take a look how can you use screenshot. Just go to layout and just uh, I am adding the screenshot option, so just select it. Okay. Now I will show you how to take a screenshot from the application. Because if your volume key and power button are not working, you will not able to do. So take a screenshot. So just press here and it will take a screenshot for you. Guys, if you really like my video, so please subscribe my channel. I hope you enjoy this session. And whatever problem you are facing to use Android, just put your problem in comment section. I will make video on it and I will solve your problem. Please subscribe my channel and comment also. Thank you so much.